Hey, don't play with that. Don't play with that. Come on. Come on. You don't want to play with that. Aleia, let go. Alright, so Aleia just woke up. She took like a very, very short nap. But yeah, she was pretty hot, so it was a good thing that she woke up because she was pretty sweaty. So we got her. Yeah. What are you doing? No, I'm not letting her go near the water right now. What are you doing? Hey, go back over there. Aleia, stop. Alright. Hey, no, baby girl, I'm sorry. But yeah, we put some sunscreen on her. And there's some water. Juice, actually. Where are you going? Hey, you have to hold my hand if we're going in the street, actually. It's okay. I think Daddy's got some juice for you. Want some juice?
No.
You really don't want juice? Uh-oh. Looks like you're breaking our solar lamp thing. Oh. Oh, never mind. Just kidding. Come on. Come on. You want some juice? Let's go get some juice. Right over here. Hey, come here.
Bye.
There you go.
Thank you.
Okay.
You're welcome.
I really want to brush her hair, but I know it's going to make her mad, and I really don't want to make her mad right now.
We're all having so much fun.
I'm definitely getting my tan on. Well, definitely not this arm, I've noticed. This arm is wider than this arm. This arm is way red. That's grass. Grass. No, don't throw your binky. Don't throw it. Don't put that in your mouth. Hey, Aleia Ray.
Where's her binky? Okay. Yeah, keep a close eye on her. Actually, I'm gonna go put it away because she don't really want to.
Hey!
No, I mean, what did she?
She like ran right into it.
On her ribs or?
Like right here.
Oh, she's
Okay, so this clip was gonna be to show you guys Aleia's no-go places because we're trying to baby-proof the place. So, yep, this is what we're setting up around here. And right when I started recording, then Aleia was running this way and she ran right into this thing. Oh, thank you. She just gave me a kiss. So, yeah, that's what all that was about. But, yeah, so we're just trying to, like, show her or give her a visual of all the places that she's not supposed to go. So, we're trying to keep her in view, like, trying to keep her so that we can see her. But, yeah, she's been trying to run all over the place, so, yep, this is what's going on. Where are you going?
Is Isabel in there? Hi, Isabel.
I think Alea's gonna be an animal lover. She's been really like excited and really like ooh, over animals lately, so I'm really hoping that she's an animal lover like her
Over here,
mommy.
please. Stay over here, please.
Uh-oh.
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 What's that?
Watch out, baby.
Uh-oh. Come on. Let's go this way. Let's go this way. Right on. There we go. Don't tell me we can't baby-proof camping. Don't touch you. Don't touch you. Don't touch that. You said no thank you, and I just was going to say don't touch that, so it came out as don't touch you.
What?
Word. We turned it into a good camping spot.
Nuh-uh.
We got our little solar lamps as our stakes in the tents. Hey, Aleia. No, you do not go over that. Hold on. Tent tour on pause. What are you doing? What are you doing? You got your shell? Oh, don't throw it. Here, I'll put it in my pocket. How about we put it in your pocket? Come on. So, we're trying our very hardest to keep the bugs out, so I'm gonna try and, come on. Come on. Good job. Don't touch, whoa. Hold on. I'm gonna try and keep the bugs out.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna show YouTube our tent.
Awesome.
Okay, so we have Alea's portable crib set up. This is the crib that we used to use at his house before, you know, he moved in with us and we would stay at his house. This is the crib that we would use over at his house for Aleia. And this is all of Alea's stuff that you guys saw me pack in the haul video, in the planning and packing video. And Alea's diaper bag with a couple more diapers in there and her toys. And then Isabel's in here. She was running up on the street, so Sean put her in here with and she has some water and some food, and this is where Sean and I will sleep. And yeah, so that's our tent. And yep, we're having some fun right now, you guys. So I'm really glad that, you know, you guys were able to be here sort of and kind of come along in the process of Alea's first camping trip. So woohoo! There's a lot of bugs out here, a lot of flying bugs, flies, bees. Freaking hate bees. Oh, look what Sean did. Right on.
What?
Is this what you were gonna show me?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
We got a whole perimeter.
Right on. So yeah, right on. When we first came here, then, you know, like I said, I was kind of bummed out about, you know, the camping site or whatever, because I visioned it to be a lot different. But Sean has made it amazing, just like he always does.
She's obeying.
Good job, Aleia. Good job. Just stay over here. Hi. Are you having fun?
What's that?
What's that? Fun? You know what that is. Ow. Owie. Thank you. Isabel's in there. So yeah, we like lathered her with sunscreen, but she did get what looks like a little bit burnt. I don't know if you guys can see.
And a little bit on her back.
And a little bit on her back too, but let's hope that doesn't get any worse.
All the kids at daycare are gonna be jealous.
Right. Like, oh my god, Aleia, how'd you get so tan? Okay, so Aleia just ran over here and she's like, ooh, cool. And I looked over, I was like, oh, cool. And then I saw these 3 pelican thingies. And I'm not exactly sure if they're pelicans or not, but whatever they are, they're pretty cool. And I don't really see them often. Oh, whoa, 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 where'd it go? Yeah. Okay, so it's around 4:30 and Aleia's getting a little bit fussy, like she's getting bored, so we're gonna take her in the water again, see if that's what she wants to do. So we're taking her out of her overalls and we're gonna put her in her swim clothes. Sorry. It's cold. Woo. You can probably see that it's kind of windy out, and it's really nice actually because it's really, really hot out, but the breeze is really warm as well, but it's really nice. So Aleia's staying pretty cool. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh. 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 Wow. This is cool. Whoa, that's cold. Throw it! Throw your rock! Throw it, Aleia, look! Look! Throw it! Come on! You can throw it! Good job! Woo-hoo! Woohoo! Oh, Isabel. Is this the one you want? Whoa! Whoa! Throw it! Don't put it in your mouth. Throw it! Good job! Woohoo!
we'll keep going down.
Well, we are leaving right now to go put a sign up for Wendy and Zach when they show up, so they know where to go. So that's what we're doing right now. And Alea's kind of grumpy. Oops, Alea's kind of grumpy that we're leaving. Alrighty, so what time is it, babe?
6:11.
6:11. So Wendy and Zach are still not here. We just got a hold of them and apparently they went the wrong way, but as you guys can see, we've gotten some of Alea's toys out and they've come in handy. Oh yeah, and right over here there's a little patch of water, and yep, right here, and we found a fish. It was a catfish to be exact, but yeah, I picked it up and put it right over here, but then I decided that was a bad idea because it was like obviously dead, and it was it was dead for like, you know, a good reason. It was like losing its like skin and stuff, like you could see its meat and its bones, so I was like, ugh, that's probably a bad idea. So we, you know, picked it up and threw it back into the water, but after that then we all had to wash our hands because we didn't know why it died or, you know, what kind of diseases it had or whatever. But yeah, we are waiting for Zach and Wendy to get here. Like I said, they did take it the wrong way, so it's gonna be a little bit longer. Well, kind of a lot bit longer, probably like an hour, maybe an hour and a half before they get here. And yeah, it is still really hot outside. We're all getting pretty sunburnt. We put sunscreen on Aleia, like I said. Hi, baby.
Hey.
But her arms are getting pretty burnt. Oh my god, there's a bee on her. There's a bee on her.
Where?
It was on her overalls. But it...
Take that shit off, don't let it sting. Gotcha.
Who's
But
that?
What's the matter?
She had a rock in her mouth.
Oh. And Alea's been kind of on and off with her behavior. She's, you know, kind of been good here and there, and then kind of been trying to get into things she's not supposed to get into, which is kind of hard when you're out here because there's a lot of things she's not supposed to get into, so. Like I said, on and off. Goodness. Oh my god, there's a bee. Oh god.
Baby.
Bee!
She said baby.
I know. She wants to kiss Isabel. Oh. Is that Isabel? Oh.
Hi.
Oh, Aleia, you're so sweet. Babe, my camera's already on low battery.
Really?
Yeah. We charged my camera for like a day and it's already on low battery, and it's only day one for camping. So if we do stop recording early, that is why. Oh, you're so sweet, Aleia. Oh, you're such a sweetheart.
Who's that?
What's that?
Natalie.
Who's that?
Whoa! I'm gonna get you.
Stay over here, Aleia. Okay, so Wendy and Zach are here. And Alea's getting hungry. Careful, baby, come on. So we're cooking her a pork chop. Ooh, careful, baby.
I really need that fucking spatula. Right, bitches.
No!
Uh-oh, one just landed on me.
Oh my god.
Behind you.
Two.
Okay, we have a ginormous mosquito problem.
Get like a piece of wood wet and then put it in the fire so it starts smoking a bunch.
Well, I threw some grass in there earlier, but I stopped because you guys were going to be cooking. I didn't think you guys wanted smoke flavor. Unless you like that kind of shit.
You were hungry, huh, Aleia? No!
She wanna put in.
Does it bother you if I threw grass?
Probably after she's done eating that. Hey, don't throw your food. Eat
I'll
it.
throw some grouse on there, guys, but it's going to be really smoky. Okay.
Well, I want you to know that me and Wendy are mobbing out.
Chocolate!
I know, right? Okay, so Wendy and Zach, they left to go get firewood.
But they are here.
They are here, but they went to go get firewood. Aleia over there is being a poopy butt, and she's gonna get some chocolate pudding because she just finished her dinner. And I'm making myself some steak. Yum. Get back over here. Come on. Hey, you're fine. And then my camera died, and as you can see, we are back home now, so pretty much we ended up leaving early. Today is Thursday the 5th. Yeah, today's Thursday the 5th, so we were camping for a day and a half, and yeah, pretty much we ended up just coming back because it was really hot, and I was pretty miserable, so I asked Sean if we could go home, and there was just no shade at all, so there was nowhere to escape from the sun, and Sean and I are both extremely sunburnt. Hey! Don't, Aleia. And so we're just like really exhausted and in a lot of pain, so we're back home now, and Aleia did pretty well. What do you have? What is that? You're not supposed to be touching that. And right now I'm just making some ground turkey and gonna get Alea's dinner all ready so that she can eat, and then I'll give her a bath and then she'll go to bed. But yeah, it could have gone better, that's for sure, but oh well, I guess. That's not for you,
Hey.
Aleia.
Good job, it's a no.
Hey!
That's Mommy's leg. Oh, thank you. Want it? Mwah.
What's that?
What's what?
This bit.
What's that?
That's Mommy's sunburn cream.
What's that?
Mommy's really sunburnt.
What's that?
Don't touch it.
What's that?
Don't touch it.
Mine?
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 Mine. Mine. Mine.
Mine?
Are you Buckethead? Where's Aleia? Oh, there she is. Where's Aleia? There she is. You're such a good hider. Hi. Hi. Aleia! Aleia! Ah! Dexter!
Food. And she's like, oh my god!